story. It's a story of a
duck.
A duck. Yes, I'm right. A duck.
A duck.
A duck.
A duck.
And a farmer. A farmer.
A farmer.
A farmer.
A farmer.
Now, the farmer is lazy. Lazy. Oh, yeah. Here's the farmer. Here's the farmer, yeah. He's lazy.
He's
lazy. Now, and the farmer is always screaming. And he says, how goes the work? How goes the work? Okay, so everyone, let's take a card. Can I have a card, please?
Can I have a card, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Can I have a card, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Can I have a card, please?
Can I have a card, please?
Yes, you can. So, I'm just going to read the story with using TPR, so a lot of gestures, okay? And from time to time, I will ask the kids to be the farmer and say, how goes the work?
How goes the work?
Okay, so here's the story. Duck lives with a lazy farmer.
Duck
lives with a lazy farmer.
Duck gets the breakfast.
Duck gets the breakfast.
Duck gets the cow.
Duck gets the cow.
And the farmer says,
How goes the work?
oh, okay. Now you can't hear. In the middle, okay. But Duck gets the sheep.
Duck gets the sheep.
Meh.
Meh.
Duck saws the wood.
Duck saws the wood.
Oh. Duck plants the garden.
Duck plants the garden.
And the farmer says,
How goes the work?
yeah. Everyone, let's do it all together.
How goes the work?
But Duck does the dishes.
Duck does the dishes.
Duck puts chickens in their house.
Duck puts chickens in their house.
Duck gets the eggs.
Duck gets the eggs.
And the farmer says,
How goes the work?
how goes the work? Oh, the farmer. So, Duck is sleepy.
Duck is
sleepy. And the farmer says, how goes the work?
How goes the work?
So, the animals make a plan. The animals
Make a plan.
And the farmer says,
How goes the work?
But, who wants to be the farmer? I want to be the farmer.
I want to be the farmer.
So you say, how goes the work?
How goes the work?
But the animals have a plan. So, the animals chase away the farmer. The
animals
chase away the farmer. Shoo, 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 shoo. Thanks everybody. Bye.